The Bose T8S ToneMatch mixer is a compact 8-channel interface engineered to offer studio-quality EQ, dynamics, and effects. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your mixer. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included: your owner's guide and important safety information, your T8S ToneMatch mixer, and lastly, your ToneMatch power supply. To remove the protective cover, push up from the front of the cover and lift it off. To reattach, place the cover back over the mixer, and the magnetized cover will engage on its own and secure itself to the mixer. Okay, let's connect your output source. To connect via an analog connection, first make sure your system and T8S are powered off and that the T8S master volume control is set to minimum. Using an XLR or 1/4-inch cable, connect the device to the stereo output of your T8S. Connect the ToneMatch power supply to the power port on the T8S and then plug it into a power outlet. Turn on your output device and your mixer. Now let's connect our input sources using an XLR or 1/4-inch cable. Please note, when using phantom power, ensure all XLR connected devices require phantom power. If connecting an XLR input that doesn't require phantom power, turn off the phantom power switch. When an input signal is present, the LED indicator for the respective channel will glow green. A red LED indicates the input source is clipping. The trim controls beneath each channel adjust the input sensitivity. Use the volume controls at the bottom of the control panel to adjust the volume level for the respective channel. You're now set up and ready to use your Bose T8S ToneMatch mixer. For additional information, visit our website.